ATV winch mount for select Polaris Sportsman ATVs, see fit chart for complete listing. Easy installation, comprehensive instructions included. For use with all ATV winches from 2,000 pounds to 3,600 pounds. With 4-hole, 3.00 by 4.875, or 2-hole, 3.10 by 4.875, standard mounting pattern. 10-gauge steel construction with tough black powder coat finish. Will work with all OEM Brushguard and double tube bumpers, designed to meet OEM mounting requirements. Will work with Glacier Plow, 2-year limited warranty. The right winch is important, and so is the mount you use with it. The proper winch mount maximizes winch performance and safety, and seamlessly integrates your winch with your ATV. This Extreme Max ATV winch mount fits select Polaris Sportsman ATVs. See fit chart in second image for complete information. Will work with all OEM Brushguard and double tube bumpers, designed to meet OEM mounting requirements. Will work with Glacier Plow. For use with all ATV winches from 2,000 to 3,600 pounds with 4-hole, 3.00 by 4.875, or 2-hole, 3.10 by 4.875, standard mounting pattern. Designed for use with roller fairleads with 4.875 mounting. Features 10-gauge steel construction and tough black powder coat for lasting performance. Designed for easy installation. Installation instructions included. Need a new winch? Check out the Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV, UTV Winch, available in 3100, 5600.3072, and 3,600 pounds, 5,600.3075 models. Extreme Max also offers compatible hawse and roller fairleads, as well as a complete line of ATV cables, ropes, hooks, and other accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Polaris 570 Sportsman with Harbor Freight Winch. Solid construction, built to last. Worked great for my 2020 Polaris 570 Sportsman and Harbor Freight 2,500 pounds winch. As expected, I had to drill a new hole to attach guide rollers.